just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste,
Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Kris, and we are back with another YouTube video. So if you're new here, my name is Kris, and I just hope you actually enjoy this journey because honestly it's something big for me. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this video. For today's video, we actually have a haul. We have a Shein haul. Shein, I don't know, people say it differently, but I say Shein. Personally, I say Shein. So I have a Shein haul, and let's just see what we got. Originally, I actually have 4 packages. It's nothing too big, guys. It's just a little Shein haul, you know, just some random stuff or whatever. It's just nothing too big. So yeah, I actually crossed out my address. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I wanted to dump them on the ground or on my bed. So yeah, we're just gonna do this real quick off camera and I'll be back. So I did dump them on my bed. So this is what it's looking like right now. These are some clothing items, phones, and then other accessories or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with electronics or whatever. So I got 2 computers. They're actually really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this, baby? Like, what? It's just so cute. I just had to get it. I had to get it. So I did. The next phone case is just, it's like pretty neutral. So yeah, this is it. It just has a yellow / whatever gold heart on a brown platform or whatever background. It's just super cute. So yeah, I got it. I figured I would just like open the packages or whatever off camera due to like so much noise, but it still won't happen anyways. I got this charging thingy for my phone. Y'all see how glittery this looks? Like, tell me this ain't cute. It's for my charger actually. So yeah, and this is for the cable part. Real cute, real simple. Next on the list, I got these stylus pens. I know a lot of people don't know what these are, but y'all see like how y'all be the Apple Pencil you could use on an iPad or something or whatever. This is just basically not the same thing, but I use these to edit my videos. It's like, yeah, and it's something you could actually like lose easily. So I got 4 of these, and I have a longer one that I'll be using. So yeah. So next on the list we have freaking croissants. One thing about me is I'm gonna be a baddie on a budget. Okay, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Like, what I look like paying an arm and a leg for a freaking nail set? No, not until I'm rich, at least. So yeah, I got like a few of them. So yeah, we gonna look into these. For the press-ons, I figured I would just, you know, just say some quick stuff about each of them. So yeah, this is my least favorite. Like, look at this. It's cute, but it's ugly at the same time. But you know, we're still gonna wear it or not. So yeah. And next we got this one. It's really cute, you know, real cute, real simple or whatever. So I got this. And next, this is so cute, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Like, tell me this ain't cute. Tell me this ain't cute. Like, it's just so freaking pretty. Like, what? And next we have this basic black Frenchie or whatever. So yeah, I think it's cute. Next on the list we got this one. Yo, this is so freaking cute. Like, when I wear these, who's gonna tell me I did not get my nails done? You would have to be very flick and soon to tell me I did not get my nails done. But you know, period. One thing I did not know is that, well, I did, but I thought they were lame, is that they have press-ons for your toes. These are pretty basic, you know, just like a little French and a little bit glittery or whatever. So I got this. And these ones also are just so cute. I just wanted to try them, you know, just to give it a try. They're so cute, y'all. So yeah, usually I would literally get my toes done and not my nails. I'll either do it myself or a press-ons, but these are just so cute. So next we're on to accessories. So I'm not really a makeup person, but a bare face, some lip gloss, and some eyelashes is gonna do it for me. And I feel like I should wear eyelashes a little bit more. So I got this. It has like 7 pairs. Yeah, it has like 7 pairs or whatever. Yeah, it has 7 pairs. And I just feel like I'm about to eat this up. Yeah. Okay, so for these little accessories, I'm gonna just go there real quick. Did y'all notice I got my nose pierced? Yeah. And I got Haitian parents too. Don't ask me why. I can't give the story time yet. Maybe when I leave the house. But anyways, these are for my nose piercing. These are some earrings. I'm gonna show y'all. There, some stickers. That's a little necklace with a cross. Fake belly piercing. Anklets. So I'm gonna show y'all what these look like. They're so cute, y'all. They're just so cute. Y'all see this? This is what it looks like. It's just really, really cute. So, yeah. Okay, so in case y'all did not know, I'm a hair influencer now. Yeah. Like this wig, plus others. Yeah, I did not pay $1 freaking for it. So yeah, I got more stuff to do here. I got the spray bottle. I got some pens or whatever. So I got these little scrunchies or whatever, and these clips. I just need to wash my hair. I be so impatient, like I can't do all of this. Like, no, I had to get one of these. Last but not least, clothing time. So I got like 2 dresses, a romper and a bikini. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna show y'all that, but yeah, let's just get into the clothing section. Okay, this is my first time buying bikini from Shein, and honestly, you know, let's see what we got. So this is the bottom. I just can't wait to wear this, y'all. And this is the top. How do you think that? Like this. This is the top. So yeah. So the clothes I actually got, they're just like really, really basic. Oops. Sorry, not sorry. Anyways, they're just like really, really basic. So we're just gonna go with this one first. It's like one of my favorite colors, blue. Yeah, this is the blue dress that, you know, we're talking about today, and it's just so pretty. I like it. I really do. I like how it sits on me and everything. Like, period. And this is the second dress, and I like it. I really do. You know, it's just really simple and basic, and yeah. So next, last but not least, this is the romper I was telling y'all about. I don't know what to actually think about it. I like it. I like the color. I like how it looks on me. But it's just that the back, my back fat, like all of these, I don't know. But I like it and I would wear it, but I just don't know. But yeah, and that is it for today's video. If you have made it this far, I actually really appreciate you. Actually, matter of fact, let's get married because you're supporting me. Stop, I'm gonna cry. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share with your families and friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Knew better than to let me hear.